Jamaica, watch this.
Yes, if the shot never get cold when before reach to me room, me da dead. Because see it here, me feel when the shot lick me, and me cry out, say me dead, me dead. And my granddaughter jump off of the bed. The little granddaughter, I don't make no talk to her. But he up and auntie, we'd have to go up on the road. The picture of baby in my daughter's phone. So me have to go get my little granddaughter because she can tell everything. She a 10-year-old.
So, Grandma, what time this happened last night? You know what time this happened?
After 12, they go to 1. After then, they say then they do gun salute. And me here when I time in and me sleep, and me here when the gunshot, and me take the daughter say, here and now. And she get up and rush out to go lock the gate, and he hear the barrage a shot them, and he run coming back and we lie down. And when we lie down there, we have the first shot licking at the house, and he cry out, say, me baby in here, and me baby. And the soldier said, no come out here. Go suck you, go back in so dirty girl, where you there come out go. Let out the gunman for out of the house. Let him out, he in there, let them out. All we they tell them, say, we alone live there. The only person did there as boy, and my bigger grandson, him at 15. And if he was there, they would have shoot him and put gun on him. Yes. Me don't know some me would expect this. Him mother traumatized so till she dey run out in her so underwear because she will have one towel around her.
So how did you got shot? Where you were when you got shot?
Then lay down. And the shot come through the board, run on my daughter part and come through me part. And me jump off her bed and hold me head and say, me dead now, me dead. And the soldier then do the shooting and no police. Me swear upon my life. One big stout black one have a mask, and if you just listen when the lady ball out and tell you no shoot. The baby will not get shot. But he just feels enough. Listen.